So in this video, we'll be addressing the escaped dot character in Ambience. So you see under the field, we have number and then there's an encapsulated dot of cases. Now the reason for this is because Ambience is based on JSON, and in the case of JSON, a dot actually signifies something nested. Let's go to your URL reader step. Okay, at this point, if you run it, you see the incoming bytes. Because it's a JSON problem, we need to fix it prior to the JSON step. So to address it, let's first add two steps. One is change field type to change the incoming bytes into string, and then a string replace. Okay, finally, we want to change it back into bytes so that we can interpret it as a JSON format. Okay, so we'll press close. Okay, so the first change field type, we're going to specify it on bytes and change it to strings. Okay, so once we change it to strings, if you run it, you will be able to see it under the bytes field. Okay, we see number dot of cases. Right, this is the one we want to address. So let's just go ahead and copy this out. Okay, and then we'll go and edit our string replace step from the field bytes. Okay, search for number dot of cases and replace it with number of cases excluding the dot. So this will do the replacement for you. And now if I run the step, you will see that we have number of cases without the dot. So now in order to read it back as a JSON, we are going to convert this bytes from string back into binary. So now we save it. Okay, you'll be returning bytes. So in this case now, if you continue to run your entire chain, you'll process as usual, right? But do note that in the previous video on our retain field, we retain number of cases, so you will not see your number of cases. So to fix it, just remove the dot over here